I don't
why
pick
used to
them.
get penalties? Call? Remember the way you did it? Like he was taking his time. He used to live in one time.
Martin Bregman does that, or used to. His eyes were like, almost shake his finger at me. It was a personal affront to his presence.
I don't know if you remember the video where Saito, I think a German guy, a German player, they both landed simultaneous. They had a big long discussion and they gave Saito to throw when it should have been a home for the German guy, the Russian, whatever it was. And the Russian like just bowed at the referee because he knew he screwed up. I started doing that after watching that video. When every time you get a penalty, you always bow at the referee.
Well, internationally they do that. I don't know if it's the same practice. According to the coach, the Russian team has an exemption. Not the coach, the guy who's assistant tournament director, one of the Liberty Bell people.
So we got a disqualification because